Hi, welcome to my Need to Know tutorials. If you want to truly understand how modern web development works, you're in the right place. In this series, I will teach you step by step to program with real-world technology, starting from the basics and advancing to the tools that top companies use every day. We're kicking things off with React. You'll learn not just how to build interfaces, but how React really works under the hood. Here's what you'll get from these videos. Project setup, start a React app from scratch using the best practices, components and props, build reusable UI blocks and make them dynamic, hooks, master, use state, use effect, and beyond powerful reactive code, API integration, learn to fetch and manage data that way professionals do, state management, understand the difference between local state, context API, and global state with Redux, and modern patterns use TypeScript for type safety and scalability. We use testing here to ensure your code works now and in the future with React Testing Library and Vitest. And project structure. Organize your code for readability and real-world teamwork. Bonus. Pro tips, real-world analogies, and plenty of hands-on examples along the way. Whether you're just starting for or want to solidify your skills, my goal is to make each topic practical, clear, and directly useful for your career. So grab your editor, follow along, and let's unlock the power of Reach together. And let's unlock the power of React together. And hey, if you get stuck or have questions, drop a comment below. Your feedback shapes the next episodes. Ready to dive in? Hit like, subscribe, and let's start in building. We'll create npm create Vite latest. I will go to React tutorial 1. You can put any name of you want. The framework will be React. You use TypeScript. Okay. So cd React tutorial 1 npm install to make a download of all of the npm packages. And that works. And npm run dev, just to run and see how it works. So it will be in localhost 5173. Access here. And here it's our website working. So I will delete some files that I won't need, like the Vite.js, SVG, app.css. I will not use any of these, but I will not delete the file. Now you will be on the step 2, clean up your starter project. Here I will just clean up here, clean up this, remove all the imports that I don't need. I will maintain that because I like this system fonts. And okay, we clean the project. So step 3, create your first component and props. So for the first component, I will create here a folder. It's a pattern in React that we use. Inside the source source directory, we'll create components here. And the side, I will do a component that calls welcome.tsx. TSX is the extension that uses a component to React based as a TypeScript. Okay, so for this, I will export the full const welcome. I will type that. I will just clear here and export default Oh, welcome. The type of the return of welcome will be React.fc. This is the abbreviation of function component. Okay. And the welcome will have props here. I will just receive a prop that it's named interface. The prop will be name. So interface welcome props name type it string. Okay. So this will be the props here inside. Okay. Function component that receive these props. So after this, we can put all the props here clearly. So we receive a name here. Equal. Okay. So here we can return an HTML here inside. So we can put a div, and inside that div, oh, I forgot the lambda one. So title h2. Hey, welcome. So if you want to put any JavaScript code inside HTML, you need to put these keys, and now you can put a JavaScript or a variable inside. So you can put the name here. You can do any code of JavaScript, like to uppercase, to lowercase, or get another function or a loop function here. Will be more easier to do your HTML. Okay, and let's do the P here. And this is your first custom React component. Okay, let's do this. npm run that. Okay. You see nothing, as you can see. So, because we didn't call the welcome here, the app.tsx is your root component. So let's put here the welcome one. Welcome. We will get an error here because it's missing the property name. I will put my name here, Giovanni. So yeah, welcome, Giovanni. This is your first custom React component, and here we can change any name that you want. That you can put Michael here. We can put Superman, and will work very well. So okay, this is how we create our first component with props.